First, you can get to a level select screen by pressing up, down, down, left, right, and then B while on the title screen. And here you can choose a level. There's also a separate sound test screen accessible with the code down, 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 left, right, A. You've probably seen some of the creepy images from this screen, but more on those later. Right now, let's listen to some of the unused sounds you can find from this section. Here's another unused sound which will play when the game disc is placed in a CD player and by playing track 2. 5 different images can be